Hi, I'm Iktakar. Today I'll show you how to make one Squarespace website very easily. This is Squarespace website. You can make this type of website within very short time. At the present time Squarespace is very popular online website builder. Lot of buyer wants to make their website using Squarespace, and you get lot of work related Squarespace. Okay, let's start how we can make this type of Squarespace website. I have used this template for making this website. It is already completed. Someone requested me to make a tutorial over Squarespace. That's why I created this video. I think this video will help you. Okay, this is the page, all of the page of this website. There's a lot of page. I'll just show you how you will make this type of page, this type of components easily without any problem. Okay, this is navbar, nav header and footer. You will get default with each template. Each template has one header and footer. You will get these two for default, and you only need to make body part. Okay, let's see how this body part, this section has been made. After clicking, it will show this type of section. If you want to make this type of text section, just you'll get this type of section. This is section. You can take this type of section from here, or just you can click here. Automatically you will get this type of section. This is text section. Just drag and drop. Okay, just drag and drop. Okay, just copy this section. Easily, very easily. You can take another text section. Okay, very easily. Just click over this type of this box and just drag and drop. Okay, very easily. Look, within 1 or 2 minutes you make this section. Here, just drag and drop. This is button. Just click here and button. Just drag. Okay. you need another button here. Okay, just click again. Just press here in this place. Okay, reduce space. Very easy, very easy. Okay, easily you can make this section. Okay, I'll leave it because it is already completed. Now this section, go again. Okay, I'm showing.